Yo, what's going on, guys? I hope you guys are all having a great day. We are back finally with another brother-sister battle, and if you can't tell by what she's doing, we are fishing, and there's gonna be 3 criteria that you have to meet, and I don't know how windy it is, so I'm gonna come a little closer. There's gonna be 3 criteria that you have to meet. Whoever gets the biggest fish, whoever catches the most fish, and whoever catches the most unique fish. And so whoever gets 2 out of those 3 criteria, then they win the brother-sister battle. So let's go. All right, we got our first fish of the day. That's 1-0. It's a catfish. It's not that big, but I mean, it's not bad for a first fish. So here we go. Here. All right, Danielle's got her first fish of the day. What is it?
Red snapper.
Little red snapper. Smaller than the catfish, but it's number 1 for her too. Looks like it's tied up 1-1 right now.
Yeah.
Got my 3rd fish. Danielle's still at 1. This one's probably bigger than my catfish, right?
Yeah, it's pretty
Good size.
Yeah. That's big. I think that's bigger than the catfish.
I'm not sure what it
The
is.
dolphins around us. Right here, right here.
Wow. Right here.
Man. They're really close.
know.
Yeah, it's a good thing our lines are in.
Look at that.
All right, Danielle, you feeling the pressure yet? Feeling the
No,
heat?
not really. Not really. Not really.
Uh-oh. I think Danielle's about to take home the most unique and the largest. Oh no, I'm winning 4-2. Don't smack me. I swear if this thing comes out at me.
I'm gonna be so mad
Come
if I
on, you
lose
got
it.
this. I kind of want you to get it.
I'm gonna be so mad if I lose it.
Come on, you got this. What is it? Oh, it's fighting, man.
It's a shark.
No, is it?
It's a shark.
How do you know?
I saw it.
Watch out, Mom. Mom, watch out.
It is.
Oh, it is!
She got a shark.
Gotta get it up.
No, I don't.
No.
You said if I get it up
You
here.
can get it up to.
You gotta, it has to
That's a
like...
big one.
Okay,
man,
now
that is
take my pole. Take my pole. Someone, so I can grab it.
Just be careful.
Oh, you got this.
Flip it up, Bob. Maybe you should do it.
Yeah, let me do it.
I don't
She's
think
got
you
it,
have the
she's got it.
strength.
Oh,
Just
yes.
don't get bit.
Man, that's a pretty good size one. Careful.
Here, you want me to do it?
She wants to do the whole thing herself.
Yeah, she does. Woo!
Oh,
Watch your
Woo! Watch your feet, watch your feet. Oh, man, look at that.
Way to
Oh,
go.
gosh.
All right.
Got a shark.
All right, bring it over here.
Oh, man.
Donna.
Flopping.
fine, Bob. You
I know.
grab the line.
No,
All right, I'm
fine.
gonna record just in case it bites Dad's hand.
I just have
It's
to.
only about this big.
I literally had a shark on my line, and then my line broke. And now I don't have another bait fish. Life sucks.
What do you mean?
She's got another shark on. Will she be able to finish it off? You can see it there.
Probably can't get it because my freaking reel broke.
What a savage.
My dog can pull it in with my
Pull it in, pull it in. You're close enough.
Can you grab my line?
Whoa. Are you joking me? This is a
another
joke.
shark?
Yeah, it's a
Oh
shark.
my God.
It's not as big, but
I think it's about the same size.
No.
Yeah.
it's not
I
as
would
small.
say it's about the same size. Not much
No.
different.
He's
It's
smaller.
A little smaller.
All right, watch your line and reel the rest of yours in.
Dude, chill out.
Give me those fire things over there, Josh.
He's coming to you.
No.
Where? Lighting's terrible, but that's gonna do it for the brother-sister battle. We're gonna do the outro in a bit, but I just wanted to show you guys what Florida's really like. That looks beautiful, right? And then you got that all around us. And the camera doesn't even do it justice. It looks a lot darker in person, I promise. It's so much darker right here than my camera is showing. Danielle's obviously the clear-cut winner. She had 10 fish, I had 8. She had 2 shark, I didn't have any. And the sharks, one of them was like, what, 4 foot probably? The first one she got was probably a good 4 foot long. That's not 4 foot, that's like 2. But anyways, she obviously won this brother-sister battle. So the next one I have an idea for, and we need to film it. But we also need to think of the loser punishment, because whoever loses 3 brother-sister battles, it's gonna be her, has to do what the other person says. So we gotta think of that before. But yeah, so if you guys did enjoy the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember guys, too.
Keep
Let's just say the whole thing.
moving forward.